Hey guys, today we'll be working on the Mark 1 Caddy. So the first job is going to be the engine conversion. So at the moment it has a 1.6 diesel in there, and the engine of choice that I'm going for is a 1.9 TDI from a Mark 4 Golf. So the plan is to remove the 1.6 engine, put the 1.9 in there just to test fit it, just to see if it fits okay. Also, I don't want to be banging around on the engine while it's painted. Then take it back out and respray the whole of the engine bay. As you can see, it's all rusted, so I just want to be able to make it look a bit more fresh than it is at the moment. Also, I want to color match it to the car, as the car is going to be this cream color and not white anymore. So yeah, let's get into it.
Entertainment. 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 Entertainment.
So the engine's out. The next steps are going to be removing the wiring loom, some of the coolant hoses, the shifter mechanism, and then sanding down the whole engine bay, getting it ready for a respray. So with the shifter mechanism, I won't have to use this one in the car at the moment. I'll be using a Mark 4 shifter, so that can all be removed. Also the original shifter in the car can be removed. What I'm going to do is sand down the whole engine bay, put some rust converter on the rusty spots just to stop it from rusting now. I had to leave the drive shaft in which I'm going to be removing. But what happened was the hub bolt over here was seized, so I wasn't able to take it out. If you have any suggestions of how I can get that out, please let me know down in the comments. I've tried heat with a blowtorch, impact gun, a breaker bar on a long scaffold pole, and it still wouldn't budge. So if you have any suggestions of how I can get that out, please let me know. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to all of your friends. Thanks for watching, guys.